We've taken the resource to just under 80 million tonnes now at a fairly impressive 2.2% copper equivalent grade for 1.7 million tonnes of copper equivalent. So a big upgrade for us today.
FireFly Metals Greenbay project is on track to be one of the most compelling copper development projects in the world. How so? All the details on this are with the company's Managing Director Steve Parsons. Steve, it's good to see you. How are you?
Yeah, good to see you again. Going well today.
Definitely going well with this release. Investors are quite happy. We're talking about a mineral resource that's increased by 51%, Steve, to 1.4 million tons of copper and 1.1 million ounces of gold. What more can you tell us?
Yeah, so today's a really big increase for us. It's a 12 months of drilling, which the team has done an amazing job over in Newfoundland and Canada. So it's a 51% increase in that 12 months drilling. We've taken the resource to just under 80 million tonnes now at a fairly impressive 2.2% copper equivalent grade for 1.7 million tonnes of copper equivalent. So a big upgrade for us today.
Steve, you've said to the market earlier this morning that you're set to maintain your relentless push to create shareholder value. Of course, there's 8 rigs on the job in the hopes to upgrade more of the inferred mineral resources into measured and indicated. How much bigger could Green Bay grow as more results start to pump in?
Yeah, great question. Look, one of the key things we've done for this last 12 months is really focused on increasing that measured and indicated category. So we're now up to 50 million tonnes in the M&I category, which of course is the basis for our engineering study work. However, there's still 30 million tonnes or just under 30 million tonnes in the inferred category. And of course, this is seeing some of the highest grade material that we've seen on the property coming in recently. So the high grade core zone of 19.9 million tonnes at nearly 4% copper equivalent. A lot of this is in the inferred category. So for us now, it's really about converting that high grade material into M&I category, ready for our study work to come out in sort of April, May time next year.
Steve, copper remains the dominant metal in the MRE. There's obviously gold as well, forming an important byproduct, and some silver that's also present in some significant quantities. Could the tallies play up or change in the weeks to come as more results start to come out?
Another great question. Yeah, so you'll see in this resource update, I mean, we are a copper ore body with a gold credit. The gold has actually increased in this resource update, which is fantastic. The silver is stayed about the same. We don't have any lead or any zinc or anything like that, or very, very small amounts. It's a copper ore body with a gold credit. So you'll continue to see the resource growing probably at the same sort of ratios of copper to gold. However, as you said before, we do have 8 drill rigs turning. 2 of those are out doing regional testing. So there are a number of gold targets and silver targets that we have there. So with a little bit of luck over the next few months, hopefully you might see some interesting gold targets come out. But Green Bay is very much a copper project with a gold credit and a bit of silver there as well.
FireFly's Managing Director Steve Parsons, always good to see you, and we'll look forward to having more updates from you in the next few weeks.
Thanks very much for having me.